Hi everyone. This week I wanted to just talk to you about different ways that might support you whilst working from home, thinking about sort of managing your time, but also limiting some distractions as well. So the first one, which I've mentioned before, is about the Pomodoro Technique, and this is a nice little website that you can use to help organise your time throughout the day. So if you're finding that there are distractions or that you can't work for longer periods of time, you can use the Pomodoro technique to help you with this. So the Pomodoro technique works on the idea that you work for a certain amount of time. So in this example, it's 25 minutes. Then you give yourself a short break, might be between 5 to 10 minutes, and then you work for another 20, 25 minutes. And you repeat that 4 times over, and then you have a longer break, so perhaps 15 to 30 minutes. And it just helps you in terms of maintaining concentration, and helps you to incorporate those breaks that you need throughout the day, and also to help you process the information that you've just taken in. So, what you can do on this website, so you can just start playing the 25 minutes, so it give you a reminder, so you can see the countdown started. It'll remind you once that's finished, and then it can start the short breaks and then the longer breaks. So you can loop that, and it will just continue to do the timers without you having to press sort of pause and play every time. You can customize that as well. So you've got a custom timer here, and you can set for how long you want to work for, how long you want your breaks to be, so the short breaks and the long breaks, and then you can just save that. Okay. Down here, just reminds you about the Pomodoro technique and how it works. And also, this is really handy. So there's a little to-do list that you can put on here as well. So what you can do, let's just put in complete task 1.3, and then you can add the item, click save, and it will add it to your to-do list. So once you completed that, you can tick that off. So you can also use this as a bit of an organisation space as well. There's an app that you can use on Google Play in the App Store that's available through. It gives you more options. There's more features on the app version rather than the computer version as well. So have a look at that if you think that's something that might work for you. The other website that I wanted to draw your attention to was brain.fm, which I've mentioned before. And this is music that has been sort of scientifically proven to help maintain and improve focus. So, as I said, there's a bit of background information about how it works. And some sort of testimonials of people of how they found it and how it works for them. The only thing with this, there is a cost to it. So you get 5 sessions for free, and it's quite a low cost. It's something like $4 a month or something like that. But what you can do, you can try it out and see if you think it might be beneficial for you. So just to show you what this looks like, you can go on more music, and then you've got a range of different types of music and background noises that you can listen to. So there's ones on here for focus, relaxation, and also sleep as well. So you're not only getting the ones to do with focus, but you're also getting the other areas as well. So let's just choose piano focus as an example to show you what that's like. Okay, so there's a whole range of them. That's just one example. And you can set it for as long as you want it to play for as well. So if you know you just want to, you could use this with the Pomodoro technique as an example. You could set it for 30 minutes, have that playing on, if that helps with maintaining concentration for you. So I would say it's worth trying out the 3-5 sessions to see if it's something that's useful. And if it is particularly of use, have a little look into it. As I said, it's quite a low cost per month, but I will continue to look and see if there's any sort of free options that I can find as well. The next one that I want to show, this is really one for blocking online distraction. So if you're finding that when it comes to work, you have to work on a computer, but you might be switching between a lot of tabs. So it might be YouTube or Facebook or social media, and you just want a very definite block on those. What you can use is this one, which is called Block Site, and this is free. You can add it to Chrome for free as well. Um, as I said, it's sort of shown to try and stop procrastination and improve productivity, and sort of about helping you set goals and achieving those in the day. Again, some thoughts from people that have been using it as well. And this is across companies and in education. So that's a nice free one that you can use. What's also good is they have a blog. So Blocksite have put together a lot of different ideas and different blog posts about how to be more productive and how sort of using technology to help stop those distractions and help you be sort of on task for however long you want to be on it. What is really good with these is that you can all work in sort of conjunction with one another, and using the apps across um, all the different sort of different websites that I've shown you, bringing those together can be really useful. So this is an example of one of the blogs that I was having a look at, and it's how to achieve more in less time with block site scheduling. So block site, it does block sites that you don't want to go on to whilst you're working, but also there is a scheduling option as well. So you can sort of schedule in how long you want it to be blocked for. And the final one, just to show you today, is called Relax Melodies. So there is an option on brain.fm for sleep, once sort of music to help you with sleep, but also Relax Melodies is another one that you might want to have a look at as well. Again, there is a paid option for this, it's quite minimal as well. But again, probably one that you want to just try. There are, I think it gives you like 7 free times that you can have a go at it. So again, might be one that you just want to try out and see if it's useful for you. So obviously, when you've been working throughout the day and having that time to come off of the your computer or your smart device and having that time to relax. And being able to have that restful night's sleep, this is a really good one for that as well. So, what it allows you to do, you can put in a reminder time just here, and it will remind you sort of when to start getting ready for bed, and then you can set it if that's every night, if you want that regular routine, which is really helpful for sleep patterns as well. And this works in a similar way to brain.fm, and there are different sounds that you can use, and you what's a bit different with this one, you can tailor it specifically to the noises that you find most useful. So there is music there, there's orchestral, but there's also different sounds that you can have as well. So let's just choose a few different sounds. Again, you can change the volume on each one. Let's just put in flute as well. Let's try campfire. So you can mix these, you can tailor these to what you find most useful. And then what you can do, you can save your mix as well. So let me just pause that a moment. So when you've found something that is particularly useful for you, you can save that mix, and then that is there available for you when you want to have those relaxing sounds and those melodies to get to sleep as well. So a few different ideas this week in terms of organising your time and your study habits as well, but also some things to think about in terms of relaxation, helping with sleep as well during this time. So any questions this week, please do let me know. You can use your shared Google Docs or put a class comment onto Google Classroom. I'm available for one-to-ones through Google Meet, so do just drop me a message if that's something that you'd like to do. Okay, thanks very much.